All right, guys. So for today, it's been a minute. It's been quite a minute, but I will be giving away this little free naming system. Got a lot of things going with it, camera, menu, all of that. I'll show right now. Let's get into it. Hit play. You're gonna see. I saw a lot of quote unquote hood games that had this type of system in it where it had the main menu. You load into it. Hold on, I can't play it from studio. But anyways, I had noticed a lot of games that had this menu screen plus the you can create your own name and character. This one's only you can create your own name. I have a system where you can create your own character, but I don't think I'll be giving that away for free. That took me a minute to make. But this one's pretty easy to set up. It's not really buggy at all. I got everything set up for y'all. As you can see, I'm pretty sure I already have characters made for this. I do. But as you can see, the aging's a little wonky on this one. But I when I give it to you, it'll be fixed. The aging will make sense. I only have it like this for testing. As you can see, the aging's going up every couple seconds. But so I picked this one. I'll give you the name, the age, yada yada yada. You'll see I have this mask here, and I'll be giving you guys this mask. The way I have it set up in my game is where if you click on the mask, you buy it. But you can set up how you want it. You click on the mask, you see it give it to me. Obviously, I have a bunch of stuff on, so but as you can see, you don't see my name no more. That really helps in like role play games. You don't want your cops knowing who it is all the time. So um you got your mask, they don't know who actually did the crime or whatever. It helps with a lot of scenarios. Um all this in the background, I don't think you'll be getting because this has to do with like security. So like for example, I think I'll be giving that away. So that's really eight. That's all I'll be really giving is basically the name system, the menu screen. As you see the little blocks where the menu screens are, um, and the name system. Because I see a lot of, I ain't gonna lie, there's a lot of stolen, stolen assets of those like quote unquote hood games that have this type of stuff. But I was like, you know what? Let me just make one real quick because this seems kind of easy, and it was pretty easy. So I'll be giving that out to y'all. Um, let's say we're getting into the studio things now. Hold on. All right, so we're in studio. You'll see I have everything labeled, character naming. You don't really need to touch. Yeah, if you want, you can. If I got this correct, yeah. If you want, you can change this. This is like what the name will look like. So purple, red, whatever you want to change it to. The font, you can do all that. Just don't change the names of anything. You go to Starters GUI. You can change the whole menu up however you want. I'm pretty sure I had gotten this menu, like like the animation for it, where you see the gray come over the menu. I got that from a free model, and then basically just basically just made it my own thing. So you got all that. Name frame. Hold on, I'm gonna have to be able to show y'all that in a second. Um, what's your name? You don't need that. Let's see. Schematic stuff. You just leave that there. And then if you go to character client, let's see if I remember. Is this has like a CK event with it, like a character kill, but it doesn't really work. So first and last name list is where you obviously add the names you want the player to be able to get. All you gotta do is sit here, put a comma, put freaking quotation marks, and put like, I don't know, Kendrick. And then make sure if that's the end of it, make sure there's no comma right here. But you don't need that. And then obviously last name's right here. All of this you don't really need to touch. You don't need to touch at all. Um uh if you want, you can go through all. Okay, I would leave character frame alone. Menu selection, you can go ahead change whatever you want with that. Keep it the same name though. Make sure everything's in there. Name frame, don't touch that. And settings frame, if you want, you can mess around with that. But that's basically it. If y'all need any help, join the Discord. Hit my DMs. If I don't get to you in the server, just DM me. I'll answer DMs. I've been answering everyone's DMs and questions. Um, but yeah, everything's in the description.